I need my gloves, honey.
Andun na yung gloves.
Oh, I thought that's my gloves. Junk. Don't look at the neighborhood. What did he say? What did she say? Huh? F word. My son. Don't ever. That's a bad word, right? Like they're my neighborhood. You can hear people talking like in the phone, and my son said that lady's talking like F word, F word. Oh my goodness, that's a bad one. Hey. And these are my green onions. I don't know, I don't have my gloves, so. Oh boy. Be careful, kuya. Kasi ano. Don't just step kasi they have the thorn, hey.
I know, right?
Here. Look at that. Oh, that is easier to use. Oh, I know. I don't know because you know these pechay are growing, hey, kuya.
Yeah.
See that pechay? So that's why I don't step on here.
Well, you're gonna cut everything.
No, I have to remove this one. The first week of May. I hope there's no more snow. I hope no more snow, so we can just plant. Be careful. Kalan di dagom tayo katin tayo. Ning kagarod. Oh boy. Wow. Kalan di dagom tayo katin. They have some pechay coming out now. Kayo lang bakla. Sila strawberry, kuya?
Zoom.
Huh?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. I almost... That's the strawberry. See that? What happened to Maya? What's the matter with you, Maya? Just keep crying. What's the matter? What's the matter, Maya? Come here. I want to see. What happened? Natudok? Ay, na. Hang mga apo tata lang. That's just nothing, Maya. Go and get the dagom. Kalan di dagom di syrup, tiba din ka. No. No, it won't. Just in kaalan apo, pakawan. In kaalan di dagom kunak. I want you to learn something, huh? You understand?
Yeah. Well, snow counts as rain as it melts. Wait, I want mommy first.
Okay, sit down.
Give me my glasses.
Hi,
Are you
glasses.
gonna make two holes?
No, only one. Now I have my glasses, I have only one.
No, are you gonna make two holes
No,
but
only
each
one.
It's nothing, Maya. That...
No, I don't want
What do you mean?
That's just nothing.
You took it out.
Of course, easy peasy. Awanin,
Ito na siya,
daddy.
Pai.
Awanin is nothing.
It's nothing.
Oh, see? What will you say now?
Thank you.
Crying.
Put more.
No, I don't want to.
Kararte, babae. Kaguro isubli ata dagom.
Put back.
Now you made a one hole.
You see, I have so many poke in my... I have so many there. There. I don't say, ah. Go, water the, apple. Talikod ka nga min, ah.
No, Daddy said do this.
Oh, okay.
I know, that's what I said.
My peas and my beans. What you doing here?
He's watering. Can I try now? Okay. I'm watering.
You're doing good.
Of course I am.
What do I think? You're doing good, I said. Hey, Mariah. Are you wet for... Aha.
Hey, that's fun.
Husband made. Okay, it's ready to plant here. We need to plant. I have to. So my husband is going to make one more. How many more? Ay. That's gonna be a lot of wood, honey. Hey? Right? See the onions? Sayang. Get out there, Morrison.
Okay. That one
This
is
is not
dangerous.
pechay, Mariah.
I mean the
It's onions.
onions.
We have so many green onions. That's why.
It's a fun. No, you have to take off your boots. No. Alright, you can't do it.
Well, pay now, man.
Is this how you help?
Yeah, Daddy said to put it the dirt in here.
Okay.
So
We are just in our backyard and do something. We just cannot make it because we only do it when we have time and if the weather is good, right? So you're doing good, Kuya. Daddy, your son is tired. Maya, what you making?
a teepee.
A teepee?
Hey, Kaya. Oh, you're not coming. My house.
That's not a house. I'm going to put the plants there, Morrison.
Get up. I don't know what's a teepee.
What is teepee anyway? You know what's teepee? No, we're going inside now. It's 8 p.m.
No. We're already home.
We're home, but it's 8 p.m. Let's go sleep now. It's not dark. It's 8 p.m. today. Okay, let's go now, guys. Hey, Monique, come in. How about your here? Oh, this is the step, huh? Okay.